This is Tech 5 News. GitHub Copilot will support models from Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI. GitHub is going multi-model for its Copilot code completion and programming tool. Developers will soon be able to choose models from Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI for GitHub Copilot. GitHub is also announcing Spark, an AI tool for building web apps and updates to GitHub Copilot and VS Code, Copilot for Xcode, and more at its GitHub Universe conference. GitHub Copilot users on the web or VS Code can select Claude 3.5 with Gemini 1.5 Pro in the coming weeks. OpenAI's GPT-4o, O1 Preview, and O1 Mini models will also be available in GitHub Copilot soon. Developers will be able to toggle between models during a conversation with Copilot Chat to find the model that's best for a particular purpose. GitHub has also announced more updates to Copilot at its GitHub Universe. Multi-file edit for GitHub Copilot in VS Code has arrived on November 1st, allowing users to make edits across multiple files at the same time using Copilot Chat. Copilot extensions will also be available in early 2025. GitHub Copilot for Xcode enters public preview, and Copilot now has a new code review capability. Tabnine launches its code review agent. AI code assistant company Tabnine has launched a code review agent that aims to help developers stick to their organization's best practices and standards. It allows organizations to codify these rules either by providing the agent with documentation or by pointing it at a set of golden code repos. The agent will passively review the code as the developer works in the IDE, flag issues as it spots them, and offer fixes when able. While one of Tabnine's core tenets has always been to customize the agents based on an organization's needs, the company also partnered with companies like Redis to collect some of their best practices and pre-train its models on that. Starting on the day of their launch, Tabnine is opening this up to other vendors who want to provide their rules too. AWS launches Inline Q Developer AI Coding Assistant to take on Microsoft's GitHub Copilot. Amazon Web Services making its Amazon Q Developer AI Assistant available as an add-on developers can access directly at any point of their coding within their integrated development environments IDEs, such as Visual Studio Code and JetBrains, the company announced in a blog post authored by Jose Yapor. Simply highlighting text will bring up a list of new Q developer actions as options, including optimize this code, add comments, or write tests. Selecting any of these, the human developer can enter specific instructions or prompts into a text box and then sit back and relax for a few seconds while Q Developer performs the requested action on its own. You can see the action below in an animation posted by AWS. And here's just a quick little animation of what was previously stated in the paragraph above.